Hello and welcome to a new Ercoupe TV.
After the very long 25-minute flight in the last video, today we have a 15-minute flight that probably would have been quicker to drive. We were just hopping over to the next airport down the valley from Siskiyou at Montague. The plan was to have a quick explore there and then continue on back home, but we enjoyed ourselves so much we decided to stay the night. So this is mainly a camping story. We'll get back to the serious flying in the next one. Here we go.
I need to copy.
Yep, I got you.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think this is the end.
Got a little run up here then. Parking brake is set. Tow bar we have. Header tank is full, that's very important. Mixture rich. It's 5 miles. We've got 5 miles to go, Charles. Voice is recording.
Siskiyou traffic, helicopter 7 Romeo Lima is 4 to the south-southwest, 4000, transitioning north, Siskiyou.
Siskiyou traffic, Silver Ercoupe is departing runway 33. And we'll be heading back towards Montague, keeping a lookout for the helicopter. Wow, this runway is huge. Okay, Charles. Got headset on. He's waving at us. Where's the helicopter? I see him.
Siskiyou traffic, helicopter 7 Romeo Lima to the west to beam the field, climbing through 4100 northbound, Siskiyou.
Siskiyou traffic, Silver Ercoupe is turning on a right crosswind for 3 Montague. Have the helicopter in sight.
Alright, and watch for what looks like a low-level RC plane a little bit to the southwest there.
Okay, thank you. There's the helicopter over there. I thought he was coming in. Now, where is this airport? Straight ahead. Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe is 2 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing, Montague. There it is. Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe is on an extended left crosswind for 33, Montague. You want to land at this one?
Yes, please.
Okay, actually, yeah, well, you have to land, actually, because we need fuel. Although we could probably make it to Wee. Here we are, on the crosswind for Montague. I actually called them and checked they had fuel the other day, so should be good for fuel.
Boy.
What's that?
A koi.
Quarry. Oh yeah, look at that. Pulling rocks out the ground, I guess.
Yup, or gravel.
Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning left downwind, runway 33, Montague. Look at that view.
Wow.
Alright, landing checks, trim is set, carb heat is good, mixture is rich. Pattern altitude looks good, fairly short runway.
But
Nice.
we can land on it, correct?
Correct. It's long enough. $3,300, that's good. Wow, what scenery. There's a lovely
Yes.
little river here. What if we could...
Should we walk to it?
Probably could.
I'd be willing to do it.
Yeah, there's even little rapids down there.
Ooh.
Probably about a mile.
Walk?
Yeah. Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe, left base 33, Montague. Can you say Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe final 33? Montague traffic, Silver Ercoupe final 33, Montague. Out for these power lines.
Helicopter balls. Oh, not this something again.
Oh, we got a Schweizer.
What's a surpriser?
That runway, that glider.
Yeah.
Oh no, 180 to pull it up.
Oh,
Oh, super cool fuel truck there too.
there may be a FBO. I think the FBO may be open. I'm not sure. Hope it is.
Wairika.
Awika. I hope the FBO is open. I'm taking off my headset, okay?
Yep.
Someone's coming in, I think.
Montague, Wairika. Hello.
Hello, Mrs. Diaz.
Should we go around the other side? Or should we walk this side? No, we actually don't want to chase them onto the airport, so we should go this way. What are you doing here? Trot, trot, trot.
Bye.
Bye. Probably a family. All the siblings. Cool gliders in here. And even cooler. Schweizer, I guess. Same one that Andrew's just getting his commercial checkout in. Cool. Back to the Ercoupe. Nice airport. Oh, there's a deer trail. So we're going to go and find this river, right? Okay. Hopefully it's not too far away. Uh-oh.
or
Hello.
4.
Can I hit? Hello. Yes. Oh, you're nice, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Your name, Darwin. It's a nice place you got. Yeah. Uh-oh. I think we go down here. It's getting winter. Just along here.
I mean sleep.
Okay. It's a pickup kind of town. Well, it's a pickup trucks. This tells the story of the town, I think. Samuel Montague, that must have been the statue we saw there. They had their centennial in 1987. And look at this, 1920, Montague Aviation Field with what looks like a Jenny. That's cool. A nice little church. Walking back to the airport. High flight.
Can I start off by setting up the chairs?
I think so. There's no particular rush. So what are we going to do, Charles?
We're going to
Is there a change in the plan?
Montague.
Montague.
There's a nice little lawn with some shade.
Lawn, yeah.
I think we could probably
And there's
put our
water.
chairs in the shade of the lawn.
An amazing view of Shasta. Cool. All right.
Just as amazing.
It is.
Let's get the chairs, Daddy.
Okay. Chairs first then. Oh, where are they though? Actually, I'll help you. Pick it up, don't drag it. That's okay. What did you say?
Sorry.
No, that's all right. Good wind going. Look at this. This is so amazing. What have you got there, Charles? Ooh,
German bombers of World
nice.
War I.
Gothas and things like that.
Yep. Look at that photo.
Wow. That is a Gotha G5.
This and
They
this
were
and
massive
this.
things in the day. Yeah, we heard from 2 locals, Steve and Vern, that there is a mail route arrow up on top of this mountain, this hill. So we're going to hike up here to find it.
Yep.
Pretty exciting.
Little bit.
Come on, no, you can do it. Get your balance right. That's really cool. There's the coop. Wow.
There's a river.
Here it is, Charles. Oh, it's big. It's really big. It kind of starts here. That is history there.
That is.
And that might be some things from the tower that was there at one time.
Of course, these must be where the town was used to be standing.
Yeah, look at the view. Wow. 360 degrees. Round to Shasta. Soaring over us. He's getting some good lift. You can see his vertical speed indicator going up. So, you see where the arrow is pointing to that mountain, that's Black Mountain. And apparently there's another arrow on top of that. So that's what they do, they follow these arrows across the country. That's what they did before radio navigation. Quite a few of them are gone, but quite a few are still here, I think.
All the towers are gone.
Hey, pretty cool, right, Charles?
Yes.
That's cool. Down the trail. Back to set up camp.
Nice place, isn't it?
Yeah. You setting up the tent?
Yep.
I'll give you a hand. Perfect day. Geese. Pretty good sunset. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please subscribe if you like my videos and hit the like button if you can. See you soon for the final episode of this trip.